Hello, everybody. I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava app. We click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you are scrolling down until you find this window of Strava, and you click here. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.